What is this? What is this?
Oh, you did a good job.
Yeah. Yeah.
Bring it here.
That's a minute. Looks pretty, guys. How do we open it? Okay. My bag. What is this? Open it. What is this? A little water bottle. I think. It's a little water bottle. A little water bottle. What's this? It looks like a mirror. I think. Oh, it's a phone. A phone. What are my line bags? I mean, more line bags. Oh, here.
Let's see.
Yeah. Oh, here. What is this thingy, guys? The heck? What the heck is this? I don't know what that is. What's this open the rest? It's a paintbrush! A little kitty one. Yeah. What is this? I don't know what that is either. What is this? Little kitty. Little kitty. I just want my word bag. What is this? What is this, Mama?
I don't know.
What the?
Share. Let everybody see it.
How do I know what the rest is? It's Robo Kitty. We're forgetting some. And the sunglasses. Oh, it's mine. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Huh? Ow. Huh? Wow. Flowers chair? What should I?
Put the glasses on Robo Kitty.
Where?
Put the sunglasses on Robo Kitty.
What? I'll put the sunglasses on Robo Kitty. Hello? Hold on. I want to see that. Do it. Two. Sir. Here's the guy. It looks like a kitty bus. It's got Robo Kitty. And look at how many you can collect. Oh, where did you get it from? That one Hunter Fries. Let's put it all back. Then we can do something else. Look how cute it is. Hit that like and subscribe button. Check our notifications.